discussing today is how to achieve this quick prototype uh, using Figma. So I will be talking on how to create some of. I will not be going straight to doing this from scratch. I've done some components. So what I will just do is copy the main elements and show you how to get this done. So different pages will have this particular prototype of overlay. Now I want to show how to create this overlay with different artboards and still achieve the same effect. And the overlay will be on its own, created on its own, then connected. So without further ado, let's get to it. So I've already created this particular artboards. So what I will do is I will create another. I will open another and another window and copy. So this, for the purpose of this tutorial, the link will be made public for you to go and try it out. So this, I will just copy the whole art frames and paste it here. So what I'll be working with is I'll be prototyping this. Now this support panel is made on its own, is grouped and framed to be on its own. We have the different artboards. So I only use 3 artboards to achieve this particular process. So I'll show you how I did that. So I will not go through the basis of designing these screens. I may do that on a later tutorial. So if you need me to show you how I did that, you can comment on the comment section and tell me what exactly you need to know or how I achieved. But that being said, what I did was when you go to prototype, uh, I prototyped this button. That's actually what this page is for, prototyping this button. Now, prototyping this button goes to this place. I set it on mouse enter, smart animate, and I used 50 milliseconds. Now I prototyped this back and used mouse leave. Sorry, yeah, mouse leave. So when you remove your mouse, it goes back to this particular artboard. So as we are working on it, let's be looking at it. Now, before that, I nudged this up a bit so that it will have that some kind of bouncing effect when it's being hovered on. Also, for this particular ask me anything, uh, the support when you I prototyped, if you want to prototype this, you link this outside. Now normally what we do is maybe create a frame and add it in another frame so that when you click it, it goes to that. But no, let's use overlay. So if you use open overlay to give you some options, now you see this. This is because I set it to manual. Normally it is centered. So if it's centered, it won't show you anything. So when you just click on it, it comes to the center. But no, I don't want it. I want to set it to come out at a particular position. So I will set it at manual. If I set it at manual, I have the right to push it anywhere I want to push it to. So I want to push it here, which is the normal places that overlay comes to. And when I set it here, I can choose how I want it to appear, whether I want it to close while clicking outside, whether I want to add a background overlay. But I don't want to add a background overlay because this, it shouldn't block the content. Now I can set it to move in, to dissolve, or to be instant. So I want it to move in, and I want it to move in. I want it to move in from outside, that's from the right. So it's going to come from this particular side inwards. Now, I will do the same for this. So why this is beautiful is that you don't have to have a different artboard for this to work. So once you've done this, it will still work for this. So you just set it like this. It already has all the whole functions of the order. Now that's for that. Then if you want to get to this page, I did a drag effect. So you've seen websites like this tells you to scroll down. So when you drag to this point, if you pick a drag effect, so on drag, it goes to this, and we're going to use this. So it will come up, and let me change this to 10 milliseconds because I don't want it to waste time. I want it to be fast. So when you also get this, you will return it back. So you pick on drag and change this to down so that it will come down. Look at how it will go. Then you can choose to smart animate, which I don't think anyone changed their position. Any of the elements on the page changed their position, but let's still select it. So this is just a simple prototype of this particular page. So let's see what we have. Let's set this to fit to screen. Okay, so let's see, so this is that, and this comes out. So let's drag, same. So guys, thank you very much for watching this tutorial, this short tutorial. Just subscribe and like the video and tell me whether you've learned anything or what you want me to do next. Thank you for watching.